Hi student, this is Kadirvel, Max teacher, grade 6.
Chapter 8 Decimals. Place value of decimals. Consider the number. So this is the decimal point. So left side of the decimal point are called integral part. In integral part, the place values are ones, tens, hundred and so on. From the decimal, the right sides are decimal part. So the 1 is represented as 1 by 10 and 2 is 1 by 100 and 5 is 1 by 1000 and so on. In decimal part, the first place is called 1 by 10. So that is 10th. So this place is called 10th. The second one is represented as 1 by 100. This 1 by 100 is represented in the place hundredths. And third one is 5. So 5 is place values is represented as thousandth. Now decimal in word form. You consider the given decimal. Here 1.72. So we have to write the given decimal in word form. So in integral part, the place is called ones is 1 1 and decimal part 10th place is 7. So here 7 10th and 2 represent as 100. So this 2 represent as 2 hundredths. So we have to write in the word form of the given decimal is 1.72. So the same sum we have to say the answer in other way. Here integral part is 1. So 1 and decimal part is 72. So 72 is represent 72 hundredths. So we have to say 1/72 hundredths. Next one 86.01. So the places of integral part is ones, tens. So here 6 ones and 8 tens. So we have to write in the word form of the given number. The previous sum we have write two method. Here we can write 86.01 or 86. Here no 10th value, so only 100. So we have to write in the word form of the given decimal is 86/100. Expanded form of the decimal. You consider the first sum. So this is 1.72. So in integral part, the place value of 1 is ones. In decimal part, the first one is 7 by 10, that is 10th. And second one is 2. So 2 is 2 by 100. So the place value of 2 is called 200th. So expanded form of the given sum is 1 plus 7 by 10 plus 2 by 100. You consider the second sum. So in integral part, so 9 represent as ones and 8 represent as 10. That means here 9 ones and 8 tens. in decimal part, the first one is called 10th value. So place value of 10th value is 7/10. Then the 0 represent as 100. So here number of hundreds is 0. So 0/100. And followed by the digit 5 is represent as 1000. So 5/1000. You consider the second sum. So in integral part, so 9 represent as ones and 8 represent as 10. That means here 9 ones and 8 tens. In decimal part, the first one is called 10th value. So place value of 10th value is 7/10. Then the 0 represent as 100. So here number of hundreds is 0. So 0/100. And followed by the digit 5 is represent as 1000. So 5/1000. So expanded form of the given number is 80 plus 9 plus in decimal part 7/10 plus here 100th place is 0. So we can leave it 100th place. Then 5 is represent as 1000. So we have to write 5/1000. So this is the expanded form of the given sum. Now we consider this sum. So 0 in integral part is 0. In decimal part 10th place is 0 and 100th place is also 0. Then 1000th place is 1. So the place of 1000th is represent as 1/1000. So expanded form of the given sum is, so no integral part, so you can leave it the integral part. So the final answer is 1/1000.